undoubtedly we are looking at slowdown in production. The impact could be first order, second order, or even third order. For example, semiconductor chips require helium, and one-third of global helium was produced in Qatar. Now, obviously, that helium is not moving. It can come and impact even MRI machine in hospital, which would have been very difficult to believe the hospital MRI getting impacted by the helium shortages. Coming to automobile, they are facing challenges. So far, the challenges is on the supply side because input prices have gone up of metal, of plastic, of other components like semiconductor chips. And soon there could be impact even on the demand side, as at some point of time petrol prices could rise. There could be slowdown in economy, which automatically will impact demand. So between first year direct impact on oil marketing companies, or from an economic point of view, price of oil as well as availability of oil, to second order impact where inputs come into play from petrochemicals to chemicals to phosphate for fertilizer, to third order impact, undoubtedly Indian economy is facing the headwinds of higher oil prices, not only in terms of price, but also in terms of availability of supply.
Okay, so how quickly do you think this will translate into stress for consumption sectors like the FMCG, the retail, the rural demand? Does higher transport cost start hitting demand almost immediately? Or do you see this perhaps unfolding in the next quarter?
So as of today, government and oil marketing companies are absorbing most of the impact of increase in cost of energy. The pump petrol prices and diesel prices has not been revised upwards except for commercial entities. So bulk of the hit is taken in the fiscal side or in the oil marketing company's balance sheet. And hence we are not seeing material impact on consumption as of now. But are people concerned? Undoubtedly. And probably after state elections, when the petrol and diesel prices are revised upwards, there will be some impact on the consumption also.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.